Moving on, let's explore this. Okay, so backslash a matches if specified characters are at the start of a string. Okay, so for example, so this is sort of similar to what we have seen with the caret. Okay, and it's going to give you TURN because it's able to find this pattern at the start of a string. Okay, same thing with this. Okay, so I don't know why you have, maybe there is a way, there is a reason why you might want to have that in some cases versus that, but it yields the same result in this cases. So in this case, okay. What about here? It's not able to find TURN at the start, so of course it's not going to return anything. What about here? Okay, nothing, because it's trying to find a lowercase t, but it finds an uppercase t. Okay, it's able to find 1, 2, 3, of course, because that's at the start of the string. Slash b, backslash b matches if the specified characters are at the beginning or end of a word instead of a string. Now it's at the end, at the beginning or end of a word. Okay, so now you're looking for slash b foo. I love football. Is able to find foo. Okay, it's looking for all. What do you think? Is it able to find all? Let's see. Yes, it is able to find all beginning or end of the word. Okay, so it's able to find all. It sort of ignores this period. Okay, okay, all. Okay, so this is at the end. Okay, beginning or end. So this is at the beginning, this is at the end, this is again at the end. Okay, yeah, so it's able to find, oh yeah, sorry, we are not looking at the end of the string, we are looking at the end of the word. Okay, so this is again a different word as such. Okay, so if you look at it, so it's able to find two alls. Okay, at the end of word football and end of word football. Okay, it's able to find two foos. Okay, in this sentence, in this string. Okay, backslash uppercase b is the opposite of b. It matches if the characters are not at the beginning or end of the word. Okay, so if you are finding if you're trying to find something in a string in the middle of a word, this is when you use uppercase b. Okay, backslash b. Okay, so it's now this is at the start, so it's not able to find anything. Okay, what about this? So this foo now is in the middle. Okay, is able to extract it. Okay, this is going to extract it because now b is at the middle. Okay, so backslash b is looking at from the left. Okay, what about love? Is it going to extract love? No, because it's already at the start of the word. If it was in the middle, okay, let's do something. Okay, let's do another example. Okay, let's say L. Okay, so now it's no longer in the at the beginning of the word. Let's see whether this works. Okay, yes, it is able to extract it. Okay, so you see the difference here, right? What about b, backslash b ob? Okay, ob is in the middle of love. Okay, is able to extract it at the end. Okay, now it's not at the beginning or end of the word. Okay, so does this work? Not at the beginning or end of the work is the opposite of b. Okay, yes, so it's able to extract L and L. Okay, two separate words. Okay, two separate characters. Okay, all, nothing, because I think the all is basically already at the end. So this pattern is at the end of the word. It's not able to extract it. But L and L here, so this L is in the middle of the word, and looking from the left, this L is again in the it's technically in the middle of the word. Slightly confusing. Oh, sorry. In this case, yeah, I think that is right. Okay, so it is able to look for the L at the end of the word. Or maybe this towards the end, if you have it on the right, it is looking from the left. Okay, and if you have it in the front, it's looking from the actually it's the other way around. If you have it in the front, it is looking from the left. If you have it at the back, it is looking from the right. Okay, and that's why it's able to find these two words. Okay, probably not very clear. I haven't had a chance to use this thing as much. I've definitely used caret and uppercase A back at the front. I've also used once in a while this backslash B, okay, lowercase b. This is which you're going to use more and more, because most of the time you're going to be extracting numbers from a pattern. Okay, so backslash D is going to extract all the numbers in this thing. Okay, so if you run this, all the integers in this. Okay, so it's going to extract 3, 0 and 8. Okay, if you do D plus, it's going to extract whatever numbers are there together, whatever integers are there together, it's going to extract all of them. So now it's going to give you 30 and 8. Okay, which it does. Okay, 30 and 8. Okay, what if you have a decimal? Okay, so you have a decimal here, 8.5 here, for example, right? When you say D plus, it's going to extract definitely 30, but it's only going to extract 8. Okay, let's see. 8 and 5. Okay, it doesn't extract the decimal. Okay, because when you say D plus, I want to extract one or more instances of integers together. It's going to look for 8, and then it stops, and then it looks for another 5. Okay, and that's what it starts. That's when it starts and extracting that. Okay. If you want to extract the decimal along with that, you say I want to extract an integer plus, if it's like 30, 20, 25, like that. Okay, or 255 or 600 or whatever it is, followed by decimal, and then again any number of integers after the decimal, or just a set of integers. Okay, so now it's going to extract whatever we want. It's going to extract 30. It's going to extract, let's give it another string, which is a 300 or 3000.5 and 8667 by 56 is going to extract both numbers. Okay, so and this will come in very handy when you're extracting integers. Okay, this is anything non-decimal, it's going to extract. This is equivalent to caret 0 to 9. We have done that before. Okay, not as useful probably. I've never used it, but maybe there is a need for it. Okay, matches anything which is a white space character. Okay, which is tab, new line, and all those things. Okay, so it's going to extract everything which is a white space. So it's going to extract a space, it's going to extract this, it's going to extract this, it's going to extract tab. Okay, new line, and so and so. Okay, so you know what a tab does, right? Backslash T does. Okay, so let me just print this. Okay, so this backslash T is going to insert a tab, backslash N, it's going to insert a new line. Okay, so you got a tab here, but after tab, and then there is a new line after this thing. Okay, just to make sure you know what it means. Oh, I already do that. Okay, sorry, don't know why I have to do it again. Okay, uppercase S, backslash S is equivalent to this thing, caret. It's going to match everything but this. Okay, so it's not going to give out any space, it's not going to give out any new line, any tabs, and so, right? Backslash W matches any word, okay, any letter, okay, any letter one at a time. But when if you wanted to extract words, the whole words, you want to do W plus, okay. So now it's going to say company A S. So this S is separated by this thing, so it forms two words, revenues and so, right? This one matches anything which is non-alphanumeric, okay, character, which is caret of all this, not anything between A and Z, not anything between uppercase A and Z, not anything between 0 and 9, as well as underscore, okay. So as you can see, it extracts this thing, then it extracts all the spaces, it is spread back percent, this tab, new line, percent, and so on, okay.